Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Raksi Monique, and if you're new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe. Today I'll be showing you another haul. Yes, because I am a shopping addict, and my haul today is from Princess Polly Boutique. And to be honest, this is one of my favorite stores. The quality is amazing. The prices are a bit more expensive than most of the other stores I shop at, but it's worth it. So let me get straight into the haul. The first thing I want to show you is this skirt. It's another one of those skirts with the lace details at the side. Yeah, it's a simple black skirt, and honestly I thought, hey, I need some basic pieces, and this is such a nice piece that I can wear like if I'm just going out on a date or to a dinner, or even just hanging out with my friends in the daytime and I just want to look cute. That's how I saw it. It's very comfortable, and it's not too fitted, and that's why I've been liking my clothing. And it also has a shorts underneath it. Also, I can see myself wearing it with bodysuits, crop tops, regular tops, anything, even dressy tops, because it's a very kind of dressy skirt. The lace really adds something to it, so it's not just a simple skirt. The next item that I bought is this faux leather. I think it's faux leather, but it's not. It doesn't have the liquid leather look. It's more, I don't know how, it's like a rough kind of faux leather look, and it's a nice pants. I actually had to take it in because how it was made, the leg part wasn't slim enough. I went to a tailor and I took in the leg part of the pants. Now it fits really nice, and the top, I just have to tighten the lace. Oh, it has lace details on the sides. I just have to tighten it. So this basically, to me, is another basic piece, but it's not like a regular jeans. Like if you want to wear pants and you're gonna wear a plain top, like a white top, black top, any just plain old top, and you want to like spice up the bottom a little bit, don't wear basic jeans. This is a nice piece. I'd say it's more of a night piece because I just see leather as like tough and like nighttime dark. I don't really see leather as daytime fun, you know. So I would say this is more of a night piece, like if you're going on the road with your friends. I guess you could wear it to a party or the club, not 100% sure, but I definitely think it would look good with heels and flats too. But heels definitely going to make you look like bad, and yeah, I can see it. And some shades, and girl, I can see it. The next piece I want to talk about is one of my favorite rompers actually, and I've posted a lot of pictures on my Instagram in it. I'll leave the handle right here. But yeah, I post a lot of outfits of the days on my Instagram, and this romper has made a feature a lot. It's like my favorite. It's just simple, girly, so comfortable. Only problem is that these hand parts doesn't allow a lot of hand movement, so I can't wear the shoulder parts. It goes across my shoulder. I can't wear it when I'm driving because it's dangerous. Because I can't really move my hands as freely. But I mean, I'm sure they didn't expect you to be driving yourself when you're wearing this. But oh, and by the way, did I mention the quality of all the material is really good, and they have lining in this one. You see they had the shorts in the skirt, they have lining underneath, so it's not like showing. They have the rib, so it like forms with your body. You don't have to worry about like if you have to wear a bra or anything. And they double layer the shorts too, so you don't like show your underwear, because the material is see-through-ish. But yeah, it's really nice, and just how it's done is such great quality. So I would wear this just out in the daytime to anything, like if I'm going out to eat with my friends, if I'm going just like to the mall or something to buy some stuff. I would even wear it if we're going over to somebody's house. Even though it's a bit dressy, I still feel comfortable in it. And I've been loving off the shoulder. I still love off the shoulder stuff, so this is definitely fine for me to buy. That's one of my favorite trends. So then the next romper that I got from Princess Polly is this lovely choker detail deep V romper. And I mentioned in my trend video that choker and deep V are like in, and I hope they stay in for my sake. But it's a really, because I have a lot of stuff with choker and deep V, but it's a really nice red, and this material is also thick again, and then it buttons at the back. And this to me could have gone for like if you're having a dinner with your friends, but not just a regular, I guess yeah, a dinner at a restaurant or even a dinner at the house. It's so nice. This definitely for me, I think it's an evening outfit. I've yet to find like a proper place to wear this, to be honest, but I just love how it fits. And then it's a romper, so it's still dressy but comfortable at the same time. It's not like you have, well, I mean, a dress would have been fine too, in my opinion, but I just love the romper look and the romper feel. Only problem, of course, is how do you go to the bathroom, but it's still nice and still playful at the same time. So I have another romper. Like, these are my favorite rompers. Well, this white one and the pink one. The red one I've yet to wear, so I don't even know how much I love it so far. Man, I need to stop buying clothes for occasions that don't exist. But I have this white romper that has pockets, by the way. I don't think the other ones have pockets, but this one has pockets, and it's so nice and comfortable. It's, to me, a basic, just like the pink, the floral one before. I wear this all the time when I'm not wearing the floral one. I get worried because it's white though, and I'm very messy, but I think I spilled something on it once and it's not there anymore. Maybe it's the detergent I use. It has the same ribbing. The red one doesn't have a ribbon because it's a deep V, so it wouldn't need that. It would just fall on you. But this one has the same ribbon as the floral one, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra. And it has an inner layer, so you don't have to worry about stuff seen through the white. These materials are so thick. Like, I mean, I've bought a lot of clothes from a lot of places, and just the detail that they put into the clothing is ridiculous. Like, double layers, good quality material, the stitching is good, like nothing's sticking out, nothing's frilling. So the next thing that I have is this blue top. It's hard to show. It's really hard to show right now, but it's supposed to be off the shoulder. The sleeves are ruffled and scrunched up, and it ties around your waist, and then you wrap it around you and then you tie it up. It's really cute. I should stop using that word. It's lovely. I love the color. It's just this nice dark blue, and the feel is nice too. It's a nice breathable material. Not sure what kind of material this is, don't remember, but it's very breathable. I would wear this out in the day, in the night. Of course, I think bright colors are daytime colors, but I'm sure you could wear this with a nice light jeans and wear it in the day with some sandals. It's one of those outfits that to me is a bit bougie to wear like on a casual day. It's a bit much, but I love it. If my friends say, hey, we have to go country to go look for my grandma, I'd probably wear it. Because it's just a top. It's a top, and I've just been wanting some nice tops. I've actually been wanting some casual tops, but every time I try and go buy a top, it always ends up being something that's just so extra. I like to balance it out. I don't like to do too much, but I like to have a statement piece, and my clothing is mostly my statement piece. I barely wear jewelry, so I need my outfits to pop. So the next thing I got is this purple dress. It's very simple. I don't remember the type of material this is, but it has some texture to it. It goes up like not a full turtleneck, but kind of turtleneck. Long sleeve, hits me like near above my knees. I just wanted a dress that I could wear. You know, like you have to go out to something nice, but you don't want to be too much. You know, you just want to be simple. Like, for example, my problem. I always have a problem with what to wear to somebody's birthday, and I didn't really think of that when I was buying this, but that is a good example. I just knew I needed a dress where I don't look like it's my birthday, or I don't look like it's my wedding rehearsal. So I wanted a nice simple dress, and I've been loving dresses, and I actually should buy some work dresses. So if you guys know where to get work dresses, please let me know down below, because I need some work dresses. Like today, I need to stop wearing pants to work, because pants are just not my friends. Dresses are so comfortable and so easy to pick. You just put it on, that's you. No more decisions, just what to wear with it. But anyways, I digress. This dress I would think you can wear mostly out with your friends. To me, this is a nighttime dress, but I can see you wear it in the day. I can also see this being worn to church. I mean, it covers everything. It's fitted, it stretches to fit you. It's bodycon, but it covers everything, and it fits nicely. It's that kind of material that will like fit everywhere that it's supposed to fit. So the next item I got is another dress, and it's this nice brown dress. This dress, actually, I had a problem with it, to be honest, because how it was sewn, it ended up being at the back. I don't know if you've ever had this problem, but the back was just straight down. So like from my backbone, I guess, or my shoulder to where my hips my butt. Yeah, it was a straight, and so it never followed the curve of my back, and that's a problem that I know happen a lot with lots of different dresses. And because I bought it online, I wouldn't have known that this would have happened. So when I got it, I again got it tailored so that the sides could be taken in a bit, so it could fit my waist area better and not have that straight effect. If you have clothes that don't fit you and you've already spent how much money on them, I highly suggest going to a tailor, because why waste the money, or why feel uncomfortable in your clothing? If you want your clothes to fit a certain way, just pay for them to be taken in and to fit the way that you want to. You've already liked the look, so I mean, if you love it, fix it and wear it, and always feel comfortable in your clothing. So I wouldn't have felt comfortable with the back the way it was when it came, but I do now. Oh, and it has these cutout details at the front on the leg area, which I think is so cute. And it's another dress that I wanted it to be simple, so that if I need to go somewhere and look simple, because you've seen my fashion overhaul, yeah, those are my dresses. So I need some dresses, some going out dresses where I could look simple. And this dress I think I could wear it, I could get away with in the daytime. I think I could get away with in some nice cute sandals, and also wear in the nighttime with some nice heels. So this is the next item. This is the last item that I have actually, and this dress, I feel so hippie showing you guys this dress. This dress is like my spirit animal. This is it, or rather my spirit animal would wear this dress. This dress is so cute. It's well, I'm sure you can see, but this nice floral detail on the chest part, on the top part, and then the arms flare out, and the skirt is just so flowy and nice, and it's a deep V at the front and an even deeper V at the back. I did not know the back had a deep V, to be honest. I thought the back was fully covered, and then when I saw it, I was like, oh, so it can't go for what I was hoping it could go for, which was a casual dress. It has to be, I mean, it is casual, but you can't wear it only grandma. So it has to be like when you go into the picnic, a park, or a picnic with your friend, or you get me, like one of those days. But yeah, the material is really good. Oh, and the hands have this string thing, I guess if you want to tie it and you don't want it to flare out, but I like the flare out look. And I love the cutout detail that you're seeing right here and here. It's just, it's really nice. I need to stop saying really nice, but it is amazing. And then it has a zip right here, and it's actually a skirt at the bottom, which I also love. Again, I really don't like when, like, just like if the breeze could blow and you could possibly see me. Nah. So it actually has a short thing attached, I think, to the back. Yeah, it's attached to the back. I don't know how to show you, but yeah, just trust me, it has a shorts underneath it. So that's another thing with Princess Polly, always protecting you from embarrassment, and the shorts are the second layer, so you don't have to worry. That is all I have today on my haul from Princess Polly. As I said, their quality is really good. It's a bit more pricey than the other places I've shopped at, but it's worth it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. The links will be down below, especially my Instagram, which is where I post all my fashion, clothing stuff. So follow that. I have Tumblr, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, so if you want to follow me on any of those also, you can, and keep up with me and leave comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. I'll see you.